What's up YouTube? As always, I am the Afro Overlander, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and tear down a car awning by yourself. The awning that I am using in this video is the Yescom USA awning, which measures 8.2 feet by 7.7 feet. You can find the link in the description down below. First, you want to locate the zipper on the awning, unzip it, and release each of the dual hinge release buckles as you approach them. Once open, go ahead and partially roll out the awning, hold it in one hand and reach for the awning arms and move them to the side. Unroll the awning the rest of the way and grab the legs which are stored in the compartment that you have been unrolling. Go ahead and extend both legs to aid you in balancing the awning. Grab the arms of the awning and connect it to one of the holes that can be found near the top of the awning legs. Add the lock nuts to ensure that the awning arms do not dislocate from the holes you just passed them through. Proceed to connecting the awning tarp to the awning arms with the Velcro straps that are found along the bottom of the tarp. Go ahead and extend the awning out so that the tarp is completely flat. Make sure to adjust the Velcro straps to ensure the tarp is held tightly to the awning arms. Optionally, you can add the awning ropes to the other holes if it's windy or you want better stability. With the adjustable legs, you can raise or lower the awning legs to block the sun or allow rain to drip off rather than collect in the middle of the awning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when new videos have been released. Unlike setting up, packing up the awning is much easier and faster. First, you want to unstake the anchors and loosen the tie-down ropes from the awning. Then, you can go ahead and release the nuts that were holding the awning arms near the top of the awning legs. Undo the Velcro straps from the awning arms and attach them only to the bottom of the awning tarp. Remove the awning arms from the holes near the top of the awning legs. Make them shorter and move them to the side. Grab the awning legs and put them back in the compartment that you originally took them from. Shake the awning to get rid of any debris that may have been on it. While pulling the awning out tightly, begin to roll it back up. When the awning tarp is nearly at the end, grab the awning arms and place them back in the mount on the awning bracket. Roll the awning the rest of the way, then connect all three of the release buckles to hold the awning in place. Zip up each section. When you reach a release buckle, undo it, zip up that section and reconnect the buckle. Just like that, you have successfully set up and packed up an awning all by yourself. Don't forget to grab all the ropes and stakes and put them back in their carry pouch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.